Using the digital workbook, first steps. When you're getting ready to use the digital workbook, think about what is your context? How much time do you have with the students? What are their levels? For example, I'm teaching a 10-week mixed level class with beginning to intermediate students. On the first day, I want them to practice greetings. So I go to Pressbooks, I go to Contents, I go to the beginning videos and exercises for grammar, and I click on Greetings. Once I get here, I can copy this link to the grammar videos and exercises. This is for the beginning level. Why do I do this instead of just sharing the entire Pressbooks book with my students or the entire digital workbook? I think the Pressbooks digital workbook, think of it as my textbook, but it mostly stays hidden. I just share certain selected parts of it when I'm ready. This allows me to chunk information by topic and level. It also allows me to limit how much students can see and support and scaffold them. For example, in this class where I'm teaching greetings, I tell the students they're going to watch 2 videos and then do 4 exercises based on what they just watched in the videos. By limiting what they are watching and doing, I can ensure that they are paying attention and understanding before they move on to the next thing. For some students, watching these 2 videos and completing these 4 exercises might take 1 hour. For other students, it might take 10 minutes. Students have the flexibility to study independently, but within a structure that the teacher recommends for maximum learning. Using the digital workbook, first steps.